Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so today we're going to do an unboxing. This actually came from one of the subscribers to the channel, Cue Ball. And so let's get this thing open. Got the bat knife on deck. So we got a little note in here. It says 2S lipos, 450 milliamp hours to 550 milliamp hours. 3S lipos, 300 milliamp hours to 350 milliamp hours. Enjoy. And it looks like we got a quad in here. So, wow, he sent in a quad. And so I'm not sure which quad this is. Looks like it's a toothpick. Yep, RC. So 8,000 kV motors, 1103. Let me see, it says Phantom, so maybe it's the GEP RC Phantom. Really excited and anxious to get this guy up in the air. Should be perfect for the park that I like to fly in. Big shout out to Cue Ball for sending this in. Alright y'all, so I'm out here with this Phantom. Super windy out here, and apparently they didn't get any of these leaves up at the park. So a bunch of leaves, it's very windy, and I'm just out here to just test this thing out. I just want to do a couple punch outs and whatnot. I'm not really out here to fly it because I didn't get a chance to set up the rates or anything like that. I just wanted to do a few punch outs and everything to make sure it's working properly and everything. I got a 300 milliamp hour GMB LiPo in here, and great, I'm starting to feel a few raindrops too. Just do a few punch outs before the rain start coming down. So it should bind right up. I think it's down now. So let's try to take off with it. Okay, so it does arm. It's in acro. I haven't had a chance to set up the switches or anything. The rates are kind of high for my liking. Let's look at the yaw. Sheesh. It looks like the rates are turned all the way up on this thing. Now I have to be gentle with the sticks. So, yep, it's working. Let's do a quick punch out with it. So pretty good with this 300 milliamp hour pack. I think I probably will fly it with maybe a 450 milliamp hour pack. This is a 2S pack. So yep, it's working great. Shout out to Cue Ball for sending this thing in. Not the punchiest with this 2S on here. I'll check it out on 3S. Should give it a lot more power and everything. So a quick little test of the Phantom from GEP RC. Shout out to Cue Ball. Thanks for watching.